Now that you have a high-level understanding of Opik, let's talk about what to expect from this video series and how to get the most out of it. Over the next several videos, we'll walk through each major component of Opik in detail. We'll start with the basics of observability, logging, and annotating traces. Then we'll move to evaluation, where you'll learn how to create datasets, define metrics, and evaluate your LLM applications systematically. We'll also cover prompt engineering tools, testing integrations, and production monitoring capabilities, which we haven't shown in the previous video. These topics will follow example notebooks that you can access from the links under the videos. And as we have shown before, all of this information will be accessible to you freely from the Opik documentation. If you go to comet.com/docs/Opik or just Google Opik docs, you will find this. Also from the GitHub repository, you will be also able to access these. And the cookbooks are located over here in the fourth tab from the left, the top. And here are all the integrations that we support, and we'll use some of the examples here to show you how to interact with Opik in detail. Each video will be designed to be bite-sized and focused on a specific task, so you can easily reference them when needed. I recommend watching them in order, as concepts build upon each other, but feel free to jump to specific topics if you're looking for something in particular. To follow along, you will need a Comet account. You can just go to comet.com for that and click sign up. I would like to show you, but it always redirects me to the to my account. So just go to comet.com and it will be apparent what to do. Then you will need some basic familiarity with Python and LLMs, or the tenacity and willingness to Google your way to success. The principles and concepts that you need for this are pretty high level, so it will be easy to start even for beginners. Your favorite LLM framework, you can select from the integrations page over here. Just pick the one that you want to build something with, or that you have to use inside of your company. And there will be a example for it, most likely. If you are using an LLM that is currently not natively supported, you can always use LiteLLM or OpenRouter to access the LLMs that you need. By the end of this series, you'll have all the knowledge you need to implement robust observability, evaluation, and monitoring in your LLM applications. Let's dive in.